Okay, come on. Go ahead.
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
It's your Father's Day. It's your fourth.
Yeah, you made it. You can open it up for me? Thank you.
It's for you. And this one you caught is for Papa and Justin.
No.
There's more in there though, Ella.
Thank you, honey.
That's your house.
That's my house?
Yeah, it's a bird's house. It's a
Bird house?
Yeah.
Right. Hold on.
And also get this one to you. Your card is open.
You gonna read it to me?
It's a dinosaur.
It is a dinosaur.
It bears more gift.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. It says to
Yeah? That's perfect. I love it.
Open up your shirt.
I can open that for you.
Oh, Jackson and Ella's daddy. Instead of just Ella's daddy.
Can you turn it around?
Neat.
Yay!
Thank you, sweetie.
Give Daddy a kiss, Ella.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mwah. Mwah. Love you.